Hello, full stack web developer, and welcome to Coding for All, the only channel required to become a full stack web developer with practical applications and utilizing free resources. In this module, we are going to talk about JavaScript, the language that powers the web. We started from HTML that gives skeleton, then we moved to CSS, which gives the design and aesthetic beauty, and now we are starting JavaScript that gives the behavioral property. That means it tells how and what to act or behave. JavaScript is used everywhere in the modern world, like it has been used in Google, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. So I will divide this video series as beginner, intermediate, and professional level. After this video series, I am pretty confident that you will be able to make websites, apps with behavioral characteristics. And you can use this skill to earn money too. You can view its demand by simply going to freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or anywhere that you prefer. Now, before jumping to our practical applications of JavaScript, I would like you to like my video and subscribe to my channel so it will help and motivate me to make more videos better than this. And it will tell YouTube to show you more videos like this for further earning, learning, and growing easily. Now I will do what we are famous for, and always do means practical applications of what we are learning. So for this reason, open a new tab. Click on these dots. Scroll down to more tools, and from there go to developer tools. Now here you can click to console. So you have seen that after we are here, we will write our code. For example, alert, hello, perform a scroll, enter. Okay, so this is something that I wrote. Please enter. So it's hello, and that's all. You have seen that after enter, it appeared as written in the alert. But in case you want two alerts, for this reason, you have to press shift and enter to execute two pop-ups like alert, hello, shift and enter, alert, full stack web developer. Now when I press enter, hello, enter, full stack web developer. So that's all. But this is a pain to press shift and enter. So to solve this issue, it is really simple. To do so, go to the resources from here and go to these snippets. You can add a new snippet. I will first remove this, then I will add a new snippet and will name it as index.js. Enter. And to execute now, what we will do, see, alert, hello, enter, alert, full stack web developer. And now to execute this, we will press this enter button. Hello, okay, full stack web developer. So you see, this is really very easy. So console is to test the line of the code, and snippet is to test your code after you are done with all. So execute and test. In order to know the true keywords, just go to MDN and select JavaScript, or you can write MDN JavaScript. You can view MDN web docs, So you can learn each and everything from here for what are the two keywords that are to be used. For example, if I write say hello and press this button, so there's nothing. So in order to know the true keywords and true language of JavaScript, you can simply go to MDN JavaScript, and so you may know that. So in order to know the syntax, what we will simply look at this slide. So how can we read this? Alert could be like saying say brackets, within brackets you will write what word you want to say. For example, we wanted to say hello, so we put inverted commas, hello, brackets close, and this symbol, that you can say it as termination symbol, and it will act as a full stop in English. So it is similar to what we say hello and full stop. In JavaScript, you will say alert, brackets, inverted commas, hello, brackets close, and this termination symbol. So in this course, we won't use any space in between. As you may observe on our screen, to treat like a string or a text, just uses double or inverted commas. This will be the syntax, and the reason behind not giving the space is I want you to have a code that is similar to what most of the coders or JavaScript developers write. So it will make you look like more professional, and it will make your code neat and clean, what we really want. So this was only the introduction of JavaScript. From next time onwards, we will dive into much detail and practical applications of JavaScript. So until then, just wait for the new lecture, practice whatever we have taught up till now, whatever we made up till now. Feel free to ask if there are some questions or many questions. And I apologize for being late, as I was a little lazy, so I apologize for this, but this won't happen again. So until next week, good luck and bye, full stack web developer. See you soon.